Lord, hear my prayer from deep within. In every battle and every sin, I come to you with a humble heart, seeking grace, a brand new start. In moments of doubt, I call your name, and in your love I find no shame. Prayer of the heart, my earnest plea. When the world feels heavy and I'm lost, I find solace in your cross. Your peace, it calms my restless soul. In your presence I'm made whole. Every prayer a beacon of light, guided by your love shining bright. Prayer of the heart, you hear me. When the world feels heavy and I'm lost, I find solace in your cross. Your peace, it calms my restless soul. In your presence I'm made whole. Every prayer a beacon of light, guided by your love shining bright. Prayer of the heart, you hear me.